Welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about today's severe weather. So let's get started. Alright everyone, we can see we got a slight risk in Florida. We can see also for today in a marginal risk in central Florida. We can see also in a typical thunderstorm risk in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee. We can see also on here Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, Washington, Idaho, California, Nevada, and Oregon. We can see also guys on here. So yeah. Alright, so we got a little 5% tornado risk in Florida. You can see also for today, guys, also on here. So yeah, we can see we got a 5% tornado risk in Florida, and we got 2% tornado risk in Florida too. Also, we can see on here, guys. So yeah, zoom on to our wind risk. Then we got a 15% wind risk for Florida. You can see also on here. Then a 5% wind risk for Florida. We can see also in Georgia too. Also, we can see also guys on here. So yeah. Then we get a 5% hail risk for Florida. We can see also in a little of Georgia. Also, we can see on here, guys. Also. Alright, so let's look at tomorrow's severe weather risk too. Tomorrow's severe weather risk, we got a marginal risk in Illinois. We can see Missouri too, and a typical thunderstorm risk in Illinois, Indiana. We can see in Florida also, in places like California, Nevada, Colorado, Utah, Arizona. Alright, so we got a hail risk. Our hail risk for tomorrow is going to be a 5% hail risk for Missouri, Illinois. We can see also on here. Then we got our wind risk for today. We can see also, Sunday. Sunday we got our 5% wind risk for Missouri, Illinois. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah, we got no tornado risk, guys. So yeah, we got a day very severe weather risk for Monday. We can see also we got marginal risk Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. We can see also on here too for Monday. And for Tuesday, we can see we got a 15% highlighted outlook for Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, and Louisiana too for Tuesday, guys, also. Then Wednesday, we even got one too, a highlighted risk for Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and even Arkansas. You can see on here too, guys. So we're going to get into the radar projections for today in editing. So let's get into that, guys. Just wanted to show you this. So yeah, there's more severe weather coming, guys. Alright, we got May 2nd at 11 a.m. We can see we have rain in Florida, rain in Georgia, rain in South Carolina, North Carolina. We can see also we got rain in North Dakota, rain in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. We can see maybe PA. We could have some maybe rain too in New York and some of the New England states. We could have some scattered snow also on here too. Then we can see also get some rain in North Dakota too. You see also on here, guys. So yeah, then some maybe rain in Oregon and Washington, possibility in California a little. Then Saturday at 2 p.m. we can see we got rain in Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Florida. Rain in New York, some of the New England states, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky. Rain in North Dakota we can see. Rain in Oregon we can see. In Washington too we can see also on here. And rain in New Mexico, Arizona, we can see also on here too, guys, maybe. And rain in Illinois and Indiana. Then we can have maybe some storms in Florida today too, at around 2 to 5 p.m. maybe. Alright, 5 p.m. then we can have storms in Florida too. We can see also at 2 p.m. earlier we saw. We got some rain in South Carolina, North Carolina, Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, Tennessee. We can see also in Ohio. We can see rain in New York, some of the New England states, in Maine too also on here, guys. So yeah. By Saturday, May 2nd at 8 p.m. we can saw some scattered storms in Florida. You can see some rain in Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Minnesota. We can see also New York, some of the New England states too. Some snow maybe in the Colorado mountains. We can see some snow in some snow maybe in New Mexico mountains potentially too. Also in rain in Kentucky and Tennessee. Saturday, May 2nd, 11 p.m. we can saw some storms in Florida. We can see some rain in PA, New York, Maine. We can see some snow also in some of the New England states. We can have some rain up in Minnesota, California, Nevada, Oregon. We can see in Washington, Montana, and maybe even Idaho and New Mexico. We have some rain maybe. Sunday 2 a.m. the storms have mostly moved out of Florida. We can see not many storms left. Just scattered rain at this point. You can maybe see in Florida. Then we get some rain in Minnesota and Wisconsin. Maybe some snow in Wisconsin too also. Alright. Then Sunday 11 a.m. we're going to talk about tomorrow's severe weather risk. Okay, maybe we have rain in Iowa, rain in Illinois, rain in Wisconsin, rain in Nebraska. We can maybe see also out here for Sunday at 11 a.m. and maybe some rain in Florida too. Alright, Sunday at 2 p.m. You can see maybe we have rain in Illinois, maybe a potential storm on there. Also, in Missouri also. And maybe we can see we got rain in Florida too. Rain up in Maine, rain in California. You see out here rain in Montana too. Sunday 5 p.m. You can see we maybe have some storms in Illinois, Missouri too. Maybe 2 light storms more to the lighter side. So yeah, guys. Then we got some rain in Southern Florida. Then we can see Monday. Maybe we get some storms in some places. This Monday 2 p.m. We can see on here. Okay, maybe storms in Indiana, Illinois, even Kentucky too for Monday at 2 p.m. also. You can see the Monday 5 p.m. we can see we can have storms too in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, potentially too for Monday at 5 too. Then we got some rain in California, Nevada, snow in the Utah mountains, Colorado mountains, and Wyoming mountains too. Monday 8 p.m. we can see we got storms in Ohio, Illinois, Indiana. You can see also on here in Missouri too, and we could have some rain in Iowa and Wisconsin too. Monday 11 p.m. we can see we got storms in Ohio. You can see in Illinois, Indiana too, in Missouri, and a little of Kansas too. Then Tuesday we can see we have rain in Ohio, maybe some storms in Missouri. Tuesday at 2 a.m. we can see we have rain in Ohio, Indiana, maybe storms in Missouri. We can see at Tuesday at 2 a.m. So let's talk about our temperature thing that's going on right now too after this. Alright, now, so we're going to move on to something else now. So we're going to be talking about our cold temperatures, everyone. Everyone been experiencing in like the parts of like the Midwest, Northeast, talking about in parts of the Great Lakes too. So let's get started. So this is Saturday, May 2nd at 10 a.m. We can see we had verdies in Ohio, parts of Ohio, 40s, PA, where we kind of close to PA, we had close to freezing temperatures we can see on here, like Verdi 4. You can see Verdi 6 in New York, 40s in some of the New England states, Verdi's in Maine, Wisconsin were in the 40s, Michigan were in the Verdi's too, Indiana were in the 40s, West Virginia were in the 40s, Kentucky were in the 40s and 50s we can see, in Missouri were in the 40s and 50s too, in Virginia were in the 40s too. Alright, then we can see for Saturday, like afternoon around like 4 p.m. we can see for Minnesota, and these warmer air starts to move into there, in little Illinois too. Then we can see over in the Northeast, we still have lots of cold air. You can see we're only going to get to like 44 maybe parts of Ohio today, 48, 45 in Michigan, 41 in PA. Parts of New York might even get into the mid-40s, the most maybe, like 46 maybe. 46 in some of the New England states, 43 in Maine, 47, 48. The highest, maybe in New Jersey, we get up to the 60s. You can see up in there. Then we can see Sunday at midnight, we can have freezing temperatures across PA, Verdi 2, Verdi 1, Verdi 3, near freezing, Verdi 4, Verdi 2, New York. We can see Ohio, we're in the Verdis, higher Verdis we can see, Michigan, we're in the Verdis for sure, Wisconsin, we're in the 40s, Indiana, we're in the Verdis, West Virginia, we're in the Verdis, Kentucky, we're in the Verdis in 40s too. You can see in North Carolina, we could be in the Verdis in 40s and 50s too. Also, we can see on here for Sunday at midnight. Alright, Sunday at 5 a.m. we can see we can have 20s in PA, guys. 27, 26, 28. Verdi's in New York, Verdi's in some of the New England states. Verdi's in Maine, Verdi's in Michigan, Verdi's in Indiana. Illinois, we're in the 40s. Wisconsin, we're in the 40s also. Minnesota, we're in the Verdi's. Kentucky, we're in the Verdi's. In Tennessee, we're in the 40s. North Carolina in the Verdi's, we can see. South Carolina, we're in the 40s also. See also on here too, guys. So yeah. 30s and 40s in Maine we could have too. Sunday may vert at 5 a.m. So in 30s and 40s in Maryland we can see also. All right. Then Sunday morning we're still gonna have cold temperatures, and we can see mostly it moves out for a lot of places. We see like the Northeast, we're gonna be still a little cold up there, but places like Ohio and things, we're gonna be back in the 50s. We can see 60s in Indiana, 69, 71 in Illinois. We can see Missouri, we're in the 70s. Yeah, Iowa, we're in the higher 60s. You can see also in Virginia, we're in the 60s. In North Carolina, we're in the 60s too. In Pennsylvania, we're in the 50s. In New York, we're going to be in the 40s too. All right, let's check out something else, guys. So let's move on to our the Northeast. All right, then we're going to be talking about Saturday, Sunday night's temperatures now. So for the Northeast, we can see we got 40 in PA, 40 for New York, 30s in some of the New England states. We can see also probably going to be freezing there most likely for Sunday night. See Maine, we're in the 30s. Then we can see Monday at 5 a.m. we can have 30s and 40s in New York, 30s in the New England states. We can see 20s in Maine. We can see also on here, guys. 40s in Maryland. We can see 42 in Virginia, West Virginia, 44, and maybe 30s too also. So hold on. Then we can see the cold air pretty much moves all out after that pretty much. See, so let's look at below average. You're going to be real quick, guys, for this area. Let's just go back to all the way to Saturday at 3 p.m. and see how below average we're going to be. Alright, we can see this, guys. Look at this. So this is Sunday, May 2nd at 2 p.m. We got places in Ohio that are 21 degrees below average. We can see 19 degrees below average, 17 degrees below average, 17 degrees below average in South Carolina, 20 degrees below average in North Carolina. You can see also, parts of the New England states. We have 8 to 10 degrees below average too. You can see 13 degrees below average in New York, Maine, 15 degrees below average. And we can see up in Wisconsin, we can see 5 degrees below average too also. Sunday at 2 a.m. we can see we have 17 degrees below average in Ohio, 18 degrees below average in Illinois, 19 to 20 degrees below average in PA, 15 degrees below average in New York. We can see in some of the New England states we have 8 to 10 degrees below normal. Georgia, 12 degrees below normal, 12 degrees below normal in Mississippi. Arkansas, we can see also we have 14 degrees below normal. Kentucky, we have 17 degrees below normal too, 16 degrees below normal, 18 degrees below normal. We can see 15 degrees below normal in New York too. Alright, Sunday at 5 a.m. we can see we have 16 degrees below normal in parts of Ohio, PA, 17 degrees below normal, Kentucky, even 17 degrees below normal, West Virginia, 17 degrees below normal. Alright, so Sunday doesn't look pretty much after that, guys, it's like really Monday we have some below average temperatures in the morning in places like the New England states, Georgia, Florida, but it really starts to clear out more. You see the below average temperatures by Monday more. We still have some, but it's like not as bad as before. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell, and never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys, I see you guys in the next video.